Hi, I'm Mubashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. And many people ask me about my services, what kind of my services. So now I will explain in this video what kind of my services. And first of all, we will make your LinkedIn profile and we can also optimize your LinkedIn profile. And now you can see that we are using different uh, headline, different keywords in headline section, because headline is your short summary of your career. So you need to focus on your headline, because mostly recruiters and your target audience find you with the help of keywords. For example, if someone needs LinkedIn trainer and coach, they will just write here the LinkedIn trainer and coach. And if you need a QuickBook expert, and then the recruiter will just write here the QuickBook expert. And now, for example, if someone need a QuickBook expert, they will just write here the QuickBook expert a keyword in search bar, and then just need to click on people, and in this way he can find a proper audience. And now you can see that LinkedIn showing us all those profiles that are using a keyword that is QuickBook expert. And now you can see that is why your headline should use keywords. So we will totally optimize your LinkedIn profile, and we will use a different hashtag in your profile, and we will also make your, and now you can see that your service page, and we will also complete your profile like a feature function, experience section, about section, and now you can see education, certification, skills level. So we will complete your LinkedIn profile and optimize your LinkedIn profile. And now you can see that my YouTube channel is also available, and my Udemy course is also available about LinkedIn courses, about different automation tools like Dripify, DuckSoup, Expendi, and Connect. And now you can see that some email marketing tools, and now you can see that this is the highest rated. So we also provide a training and coaching services, and my courses also available on a Udemy. And more people ask me about more services. And now, for example, this is my client, and we also provide a post boost up services. And now you can see that this is my client, and now you can see the result of boosting. And now you can see that you can see the impressions, and sometime 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh. And now you can see that, and now you can see the likes, and all these are journal and organic, and these are not fake and anything, because uh, our work is just hard work. And sometime if your content is good, it will be a viral in LinkedIn algorithm, and sometime it will not. And now for organic impression, we will just need to copy the URL of your post and then paste in different sporting groups. And in this way, and your post will be a great chance when all the people engage on your post, and there will be a great chance your post will be a viral in LinkedIn algorithm. More, we will also provide email marketing, and for email marketing we use a different automation tools, but best one is Apollo. And if you give me a message, I can also give you a discount code for Apollo, discount code for Drapify, discount for Expendi. Okay, we can also provide a email marketing, and now we also provide a lead generation work. And if you just need a training and coaching services of Sale Navigator, we can also provide. And if you want, uh, I will handle on your behalf all these services, then we can also do this. It's a simple process. You first of all, you just need to save your target audience in LinkedIn Sale Navigator. If you don't know how to use a Sale Navigator, and then I will give you a proper training about Sale Navigator. And one more thing, if you never use LinkedIn Premium, then I will send you a link where you can enjoy 2 month free Sale Navigator. So for example, these are your target audience, and you are satisfied with your target audience, and then we simply pick the URL of your target audience. And this time, and now you can see that we are using a Dripify, and we will run a different type of campaigns with the help of Dripify, like a in-mail campaigns, like a connection request campaign, We can also send invite by email. We can also send a message to your group members, and we can also send a message to your first degree connections. And once you are satisfied, then we just need to click on new campaign, and after this we can run a campaign. So I will give you a overview of some campaign. Now you can see that here is the sequence, and we will put a different message in different intervals. And from here you can check your all lead progress, acceptance rate, reply rate. So different things you can check here, and it also provide a sequence where you can send a message after 2 days, after 3 days, and put more functions. So it totally depends on you. And here is an inbox, and you can also extract a CSV file. And now you can see that you can also extract a CSV file. It will include an email address, phone number, and different things available. And on a dashboard you can see here all the activities. You can also download your activities. So different things are available. If you need a lead generation work, and if you need a coupon code for Dripify, I can also provide you a discount on a Dripify. So give me a message, and now you can see that from here you can also check all your campaigns, and from here you can also check the performance of the campaign, and you can also export this campaign. And more, we will also make your LinkedIn company page. And now you can see that, where is it? Yes, we can also make your LinkedIn company page with a proper banner, with a proper logo, and with a proper setting. And we can also increase the follower of your LinkedIn company page. And if you want to boost up your LinkedIn company page posts, so we can also boost up your LinkedIn company page. So process is very simple. We have a lot of supporting groups, and we will paste your URL of post in supporting groups. But keep in mind, we can just provide your general engagements. And when people will like your post, then there is a great chance your post will be viral in LinkedIn algorithm. Not a guarantee, but mostly your post will be viral in LinkedIn algorithm. And more, if you have a budget, then we can also run ads on our LinkedIn. Different type of ads we can run on our LinkedIn. It's the same like a Facebook ads, it's the same like a Instagram ads. So different ads we can run on our LinkedIn. It's totally depend on your requirement. So better is first message me, then I will recommend your best suggestion for your business and for lead generation. So hope you understand my services, and if you have any question related to this, so please let me know. I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.